What's up guys, look at this icicles and some people on the corner up there. Ha! They like to challenge themselves in this not so cold condition. As you can see, it's not cold. All of that is not ice, slushy all the way. Expectation versus reality guys.